Hello and welcome to another Multi-Makes 3D modelling tutorial in Blender. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, because it helps the channel pop up in searches. And here we go. Okay, so let's add the materials and let's finish off the cover for the headlights. First off, let's just do, where is he? There it is. Right, so headlight cover tab, there we go, all. Alright, so for all of them selected, do a F, same as before. So we shall highlight them two, do a join, highlight them, join, join, join. That one's not going to work, is it? So join. And that one there? Yes, that's one there. Join. Right, so with that one, slide that up a little bit. Oops, GG, not G. And this one at the bottom, GG. Tell you what, don't need these two. So highlight both of them, Alt, left click, Shift, Alt, left click, and Control X. And then need to square these off. That one looks quite good. Oops, full stop on the keypad, number pad. GG, just square this off like this again. There we go. Right, so how many sections is this broken up into? One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. Right, so they're all even as well, so, right. So, Control R in the middle there, and do we rotate the scroll? Rotate the scroll? Rotate the middle wheel. Dear me, come on, words. They seem to escape me today. Right, that's done the 4, but are they spaced out? They aren't too bad, to be fair. Right, so now do a Control B. Put your finger on Shift just to slow it down. Try again, Control B. Finger on Shift, slow it down. I don't think they look big enough. Maybe. Anyway, right, so one, all. Tell you what, these spotlights, I'll just hide these for now. In fact, while we're here, I shall just quickly put them in that folder also and then hide them. Right, with this, do an extrude Y, slide, put your finger on Shift, slide it forward, just so it's slightly indented from that edge there. See how that's slash on the keypad there. It's kind of rounded it off, hasn't it? So also we need to do a right click, shade smooth, highlight it first, shade smooth. Right, 2, highlight these outside edges, not the corner one though. And do the main crease to 1. If we do the corners, see if a semi decent corner there, we could make that a 3 to tidy that up. But with that selected, if you make that a 1 also, that squares it off. We could also put auto smooth on. Let's take that off. There we go. nicer. I'm distracted by a message, I do apologise. Right, so into 3, what we need to do, no, let's try this way, do a 1, we could turn off them for now. Select them, come into material, we'll add a new one, we'll call this, let's call it cover gold, I guess. Same that to them, same with that one, assign, same with that one, assign, come over to tab. We don't need the black gloss anymore, so we could, now we'll just minus that, do a plus, new, glass, no, cover glass, might be helpful if we're going to here also, mightn't it? Right, so if we change the gold to the yellow, it's done everything. Of course we haven't given that this one anything yet either, so that's okay. Let's drag a box around them. Make sure it goes through to the back. Say that there. There we go. Phew! Thought that was embarrassing. Oh, can we get that from the front? Might be easier. So shift drag a box around them. In them. In them. Side. And them and them. Oh, missed that one. Side. Sorry. Right then. So make sure that's done on the back also. Yes. If we go down to transmission, we'll make that 1 so it's fully transparent. Also the gold needs to be the same, but not quite as much. So about a 0.9. Go and change index refraction to 1.474. I believe that's Pyrex or something. .474. Oh, see how that's pulled that all the way in there with the subdivision on there. So if I do that, what we need to do is do a Control R, slide that along the side there, then we get on the other side, there we go, put mirror back on. Right, so with them done, quickly hide them. Let's do these. Like glass, so material. There we go. Right, this is going to be slightly different to the cover, headlight cover glass. So we shall call this one headlight glass, because this has like a bumpy material to it. But again, now we shall transmission to 1. We'll change that to the Pyrex look as also. Hide there a second. With that selected, we shall. What did we call the one at the back? Did we just call that chrome? Yeah. I prefer that to call reflector, to be fair. So since we already have that material there, so if we click on this, look for reflector, there we go. You see how that's came up all nice and bumpy there now. Roughness, make sure you're on 0.1, specular, do the opposite, say 0.9. And if we unhide the glass, unhide the cover, unhide the spotlights, go into a render view, and you go, wow! It's getting there. At least we have some lights going now. So then, I shall catch you in the next one again. Don't forget to save, Control S.